How Miami-Dade County Public Schools contributes to a better environment. Department of Food and Nutrition. Old M-DCPS styrofoam trays. M-DCPS has made huge environmentally friendly strides in their policies. As you all know, the compostable plate was implemented in to replace the old styrofoam trays. Styrofoam can take over 1,000 years to decompose, similar to plastic. It also breaks up into tiny pieces which are impossible to clean up, and these small pieces are being consumed by wildlife who suffer the consequences, such as indigestion and death. This is not just a material that we want to leave behind in our environment, because our kids, grandkids, and so on will have to deal with it. M-DCPS compostable trays. The compostable plate is made of recycled paper that will completely break down back into soil through a process called composting. So what does it mean, compost? Compost itself is simply decomposed organic matter. It can often be confused with fertilizer, but there is an important distinction between the two. Fertilizer, while it goes into the soil, is intended to specifically feed plants. Compost, meanwhile, is intended to enrich the soil itself, maintaining moisture more effectively and giving plants a better environment in which to grow and thrive. Composting happens when organic matter such as coffee grounds, vegetable peels, apple cores, eggshells, stale bread, and even paper plates decompose until they turn into a soil-like state, as you can see in the picture. So what are the benefits? Enriches soil, helping retain moisture and suppress plant diseases and pests. Reduces the need for chemical fertilizers. Encourages the production of beneficial bacteria and fungi that break down organic matter to create humus, a rich nutrient-filled material. And reduces methane emissions from landfills and lowers your carbon footprint. If there are 350,000 students eating school lunch in Miami-Dade County Public Schools every day, how much styrofoam are we preventing from entering our environment? When you think about it, it is a lot of plates. Thanks to the hard work and effort of everyone in the cafeterias. M-DCPS Strawless campaign. We are strawless. Why? Straws are a major contributor to environmental and ocean pollution. Over 500 million straws are used every day in the United States. The Department of Food and Nutrition went strawless this school year 2019-2020, as you noticed. M-DCPS is using the paper straw alternative in all of our schools, providing it to students upon request. We got it done with your support. Thank you. M-DCPS Garden to Cafeteria program. As you may see in these beautiful pictures, is just to share a little bit of some of our schools that have this program, like Laura C. Saunders Elementary, Holmes Elementary, South Miami K-8 Center, North Miami Elementary, Lily C. Evans Elementary, and Tropical Elementary. School Garden to Cafeteria. Food Service Procedure B18. The purpose of this procedure is to incorporate school garden products into the school food service program. The procedure itself. General information. School garden to cafeteria initiatives allow food service staff to serve products grown by teachers and students in school gardens through the school meal program. Miami-Dade County Public Schools Department of Food and Nutrition encourages schools and food service staff to incorporate garden to cafeteria in their existing meal programs using this procedure. This initiative is one of several components of the Farm to School program, which seeks to improve student nutrition, support local farmers, and reduce environmental pollution caused by the long transport of food by providing locally grown foods at school meals. If you want to learn a little bit more about Procedure B18, it's available online in the Policies, Documents, and Procedures tab on nutrition.dadeschools.net. M-DCPS Farm to School. Procedure C18. Farm to School programs seek to improve student nutrition, support local farmers, and reduce environmental impact of food distribution. Farm to School allows school districts to offer more locally grown, fresh produce at school meals. Miami-Dade County Public Schools began offering Florida-grown fruits and vegetables through the school meal program in 2009. Farm-to-table programs are a nationwide effort to support local economies, curb environmental pollution by decreasing transportation, and offer a wide variety of fresh produce. Recap. M-DCPS has made huge environmentally friendly strides in their policies, replacing the styrofoam trays for the compostable plates. Remember, styrofoam can take over 1,000 years to decompose, similar to plastic. Also replacing the sporks with straws for the strawless sporks. Straws are a major contributor to environmental and ocean pollution. Additionally, implementing Procedure B18, Garden to Cafeteria, and Procedure C18, Farm to School. These initiatives seek to improve student nutrition, support local farmers, and reduce environmental pollution caused by the long transport of food by providing locally grown foods at school meals. Thank you for all the support to make these initiatives a reality in our school district. Thank you for your time and attending this webinar.